Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to sew a stylish Co-Ord set top using my sewing pattern. It's a beginner friendly, comfortable and perfect for everyday wear or dressing up. We will walk through everything step by step from cutting out the fabric to sewing it all together. So whether you are a newbie or a seasoned stitcher, you will be able to follow along. By the end of this video, you will have a gorgeous handmade top that pairs perfectly with skirts, pants or the matching bottom. If you are going for that full cloth look, so grab your fabric, thread up your machine and let's get swing. On each front piece, fold the center front edge by ½ inch, then again by 1 inch towards the wrong side. Place the left front piece over the right, aligning as shown in the pattern. Top stitch along the edge to secure. Leave the lower 5 inches unstitched to create an opening. Optionally, you may sew a button or skip this step for a clean finish. Join the shoulders with right sides together, sew the shoulder seams. Collar constructions. Prepare the collar. Cut the collar pattern on the canvas interfacing. Fuse or attach the canvas to the wrong side of one collar piece. Cut out the collar shape, adding extra seam allowance at the top and bottom edge. We need 2 fabric pieces of the collar. Assemble the collar. Fold one side edges of the collar inward slightly and stitch if required. Flip the collar right side out and press. Attach the collar. Mark the center point of both the collar and the back neckline. Align centers and attach the collar starting from the back, pinning and sewing along the neckline. Top stitch to finish. Sleeves and lapel detail. Prepare the lapel arrow detail. Fold the lapel arrow piece in half. Sew along the arrow shape, then turn it right side out and press. Place the sleeve piece right side facing up. Position the arrow lapel detail on top of the sleeve where indicated. Place the rectangle piece over the lapel. Fold it in half or fold depending on design and sew. Flip and press the pieces. You can leave the rectangle long or fold it short based on style preference. Attach sleeves. With right sides together, sew the sleeves to the armhole. Sew the side seams of the top. Now hem the bottom edge of the top using a double fold hem technique. Press all seams and edges neatly. And that's it. Your Co-Ord Set top is all done. Simple, stylish and totally handmade. I hope you enjoyed sewing along with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Because up next, I will be showing you how to make the matching pants to complete your Co-Ord set. And yes, there's also a second top variation on the way with a different collar and sleeve style for a fresh new look. So stay tuned, keep sewing, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.